Want to make real money on YouTube with AI and never even show your face?
Check this out. This is what one AI channel pulled in just 28 days.
And nope, that's not some random number. This is straight from the source. So I'm going to give you the exact blueprint to build your own. Let's do this.
First things first, you got to pick a niche. This is your most important decision. Here are two niches that are proven to work right now: storytelling and ranking videos.
The ranking niche has seen channels absolutely explode. By the way, if you like this, hit subscribe. So, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. All right, you've got your niche. Now let's get your channel set up for success. If your channel is brand new, you've got to warm it up. Just use it like a normal person. Okay, branding. Here's a huge tip. Don't overthink it. Just take action. It's way more important. Seriously, your branding should take like 10 minutes. Tops. Here's the checklist. That's it. All right, now for the fun part, actually making the content with some killer AI tools. So for that Roblox rant style, you're basically telling stories. It's a simple 4-step process. Find a viral video, grab the script, let AI rewrite it, then generate a new voiceover.
And this is the magic prompt for ChatGPT. You're just modeling what's already working.
Now for the ranking niche, this process is even faster. It's almost totally automated. You get ideas from ChatGPT, then use a tool called Viblo.ai to do all the heavy lifting. And here are a few quick pro tips to really make your ranking videos pop. Okay, making content is one thing, but knowing if it's actually working, that's everything. First up is a metric called average view duration, or AVD. You gotta track this. Second, you've got your swipe rate. It's super important, and you want it to be low. So these are your magic numbers. Aim for over 100% AVD and a swipe rate under 20%. So there you have it, the complete blueprint. The only thing left now is for you to take action. So get out there and start making stuff. The only question is, what will you create first?